Hi, I want to show you how I made the mount for my Wacom Cintiq 16 and Ergotron LX. The problem was Cintiq's 16 and 13 inches don't have any mounts to Ergotron. So I bought in store 3M command stripes with hard velcro surface and just glue it to the Cintiq. You can make it more symmetrical than me. In my store was only one pack of white, more strong, so I bought black also, but better to have whites only. I cut plywood and left the square for ventilation. I took thick plywood, 0.9 millimeters, because Cintiq is not very heavy and this plywood gives good counterweight to the arm. Don't forget to make hole for ventilation. Also, I took 4 6M bolts to fix plywood on Ergotron well. So let's click it to the mount and it's ready. I used the system around half a year and it's fixed very well and have no choice to fall down. So good luck in your constructions and feel free to comment and ask if you need something.